types of contact forces. Force of friction. Today we are learning activity 5, observing the motion of objects on an inclined plane. See the picture, figure 3. Take a tray, place a small ice cube, eraser and a rubber. A rupee coin on a line at one end of the tray. Now slowly lift this end of the tray as shown in the figure 3. What do you observe? Which of these 3 objects slides down first? Why? Do all the objects experience the same resistance to motion? If not, why? Which of the objects experiences more resistance to motion? Why? Why is there a change in resistance experienced by the objects, though they all slide down on the same plane? Do this activity with different objects like a book, a ball, a pen, a stone, etc. and record your observations. Dear students, here you are watching 3 items: ice cube, coin and eraser. These 3 are placed on a inclined plane, and here we are observing the movement or motion of these 3 materials even though they are on one plane. You see on the picture, one is moving faster, another one is moderate little bit, and the eraser is also slower. Why it is happening? Let us know about this. ఇక్కడ మీరు అట్ట మీద 3 రకాలైన వస్తువులు చూస్తున్నారు. వాటిలో ఐస్ ముక్క, కాయిన్, రబ్బర్, ఈ 3 కూడా ఒకేసారి జారట్లేదు. ఎందుకు అలా జరుగుతుంది? ఒకటేమో ఫాస్ట్గా వస్తుంది, ఇంకోటేమో మధ్య రకంగా వస్తుంది, ఇంకోటేమో బాగా స్లోగా వస్తుంది. దీనికి గల కారణం ఏంటి? ఇలాంటివి మనము వేరే వేరే వాటితో కూడా చేయవచ్చు. బుక్కు, బాలు, పెన్ను, స్టోన్ ఇలాంటి వాటితో కూడా మనం చేయవచ్చు. దీన్ని తెలుసుకోవడం కోసము మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇది నేర్చుకోవాలి. So here we have to know about friction. Friction is the resistance to the movement of a body over the surface of another body. Friction is the resistance to the movement of a body. That means friction can stop the movement of body when it is contact with the surface of that body. ఫ్రిక్షన్ అనేది ఏంటంటే దాన్ని ఘర్షణ అంటాం తెలుగులో. ఒక వస్తువు చలనంలో ఉండేటప్పుడు దానిని ఆపడానికి, నిరోధించడానికి పనిచేసే స్పర్శబలం. అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 తలాలు కూడా కాంటాక్ట్లో ఉండాలి, స్పర్శలో ఉండాలి. దానినే మనం ఫ్రిక్షన్ అని అంటాము. Friction is the resistance to the movement of a body over the surface of another body. See the figure 4. Did did you ever experience slipping on a floor? Yes, in rainy season generally we are finding these situations. So many people or students are slipping in the ground. What conditions caused you to slip? Why they have slipped? Did you experience slipping while you are walking on wet mud or in the soapy floor? Yes, sometimes you may answer. Why do most road accidents happen during the rainy days? Yes, this is also generally happening in rainy seasons. That means we are calling it skidding of bikes, skidding of vehicles, like that. Why? Why the bicycles are skidding or people are skipping or slipping? The direction of friction is always opposite to the direction of motion relative to the surface. Let's imagine the world without friction. Will it possible to write with a pen on a paper or with a piece of chalk on the blackboard? You will learn more about the friction in the next chapter. Yes, dear students, here you just think about this. Can we write or can we walk? Can we drink or can we catch the ball or anything without friction? Can we do such activities? Someone says no. Yes, without friction we cannot hold any material, we cannot hold anything in this world. Because of the friction, the materials which are catching up, they are not slipping from our hands. That means friction is a needed force in the world. Without friction, we cannot live in this world, we cannot survive in this world.